Okay, hi everybody. I guess you're probably all wondering where I've been. I've been busy. I got a haircut. Look at this. Hey, I'm looking pretty good. Anyway, so what I'm working on right now is I'm fixing a hole in the top of this sailboat. And right here, there's a cleat that I pulled apart. It had a previous repair. Someone had put some epoxy down into a broken screw, which I've just discovered. So right now I have just used these tin snips after I've dug out a pretty big section here. Oh, let's see if I can see it with my fingers here. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, golly. Here we go. See, they didn't use brass, they used stainless. It snapped. Can't do that on a boat. Okay, so this is another broken screw right here. And this is the mahogany block that's underneath the sailboat here. Let's take a look. So that's the block. And that's the broken screw. Good time. Okay, let's do a quick update on the boat. I've got my plug in. I didn't tell you about my plug, but I've got pictures of it. Anyway, what I did, I copied the contour of the top of the boat by putting packing tape down on it and then putting fiberglass on top of that, and I made a mold. So then I had to fit it inside the hole that I created. So you can see now, this is my plug that I made. My plug is sitting inside the hole. What I'm working on right now is fiberglass layup. So I've got fiberglass mat and cloth, which I'll be doing interwoven, and I've got this all worked out on my template, and I've got some pieces there in the center which are going to take care of the convex nature of the deck. So all I gotta do is do it. See you soon. Okay, so here I have my fiberglass layup. Check it out. This fiberglass is on there. The plug's sitting on the inside. You can see this really cool cut I got. Woo! Plug's on the inside, and then I actually built up the layers on the interior here for the part that I cut out, which I'll show you next. And then I put some parts on the edge to feather it in. Here's the edging. Woo! About 4 inches around the entirety of the hole. It's getting really hot. So this is the piece of the boat that I cut out. This boat is made before 1970. So you can see that it had a bunch of structural problems. That's what the inside looks like. It's taped together currently. So that is the top of the boat. It was just a little section in here. So I cut it out. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And I laid new fiberglass in there. So hopefully it's going to be a boat again.